Welcome, welcome to the most magnetic and powerful transmission of ancestral healing that you could practice for yourself and for your family and bring about the sacred health, wealth, and well being that you truly deserve in your life. Get ready. You are now entering a sacred circle where your ancestors gather, fathers and mothers, grandfathers and grandmothers, all the way back into the ancient rivers of time. This, my dear friend, is no ordinary meditation. This is a magnetic invocation, a powerful transmission, an ancestral healing where the voices of the wisest ancestors are going to guide us. Here, you will return the suffering that never belonged to you. Here, you will claim the blessings that were always yours. Here, you will awaken the magnetic abundance, the current of your true lineage. Breathe. Feel the weight of old poverty, fear, and scarcity dissolving. Feel the wealth of your ancestors waiting to flow again. This is your moment. This is your healing. This is your return to the river of abundance. Your entire lineage now speaks through you. Beloved one, close your eyes. Feel the earth beneath your body. Feel the breath rising, falling, rising again. With your eyes closed and breath anchored, and your entire body grounded with Mother Earth's energy. Mother Earth, our very first ancestor. We bow down to her and now call upon our ancestors. Before you, behind you, around you, your ancestors stand. Those who carried pain, those who carried love, those who carried both in silence. Call them here and now, not as shadows, not as wounds, but as a sacred river flowing through your blood. In ancestral healing work, we say, nothing is outside you. Every ancestor lives inside your cells, your bones, your breath. Every trauma, every gift, every curse, every blessing. You are the altar. You are the continuation. You are the liberation they once prayed for. Allow yourself to be this beautiful, wonderful flow, the channel, the medium through which all of your healing is possible. Now gently look at all of them. Behind you stands your mother. Behind her mother is her mother. And behind your grandmother, you see a whole line of mothers as far as you can see. Your mothers are all on your left side. To your right stands your father. Behind him, his father. And behind him, you now see a whole line of fathers. Lines and lines of men and women who carried life forward until you arrived as their descendant. Look at all of them and see what they have carried. Some carry grief they could never speak. Some carried shame that burned them in silence. Some carried poverty, loss, exile, war, hunger, betrayal, and other natural calamities. Some carry wisdom, strength, resilience, song, love, and devotion. I want you to see them all and gently now you bow, maybe with your hands and your palms together. Bow to them all. The guilty and the innocent, the victims and the perpetrators, the poor and the wealthy, the silent and the outspoken. Go to them all and say, I see you, I honor you, I give you your rightful place. What you carried, I no longer need to carry. What belongs with you stays with you. What belongs with me comes to me now. I bow to those who lost money, who struggled with debt, who carried shame around wealth. I honor you. I give your fate back to you with love. And I receive only your blessings of prosperity. I let wealth flow again in our family line. Take a deep breath and allow these words to sink into you. I see you. I honor you. I give you your rightful place. What you carried, I no longer need to carry. What belongs with you stays with you. What belongs with me comes to me now. I bow to those who lost money, who struggled with debt, who carried shame around wealth. I honor you. I give your fate back to you with love. And I receive only your blessings of prosperity. I let wealth flow again in our family line. Take a deep breath. Notice your body as you speak, as you listen to this. Perhaps there is tightness in your chest, perhaps heaviness in your womb or belly, perhaps a trembling in your voice. This is the echo of what came before you. Unspoken grief travels across generations until it finds a home, until someone like you turns to face it. You may carry your grandmother's despair, your grandfather's silence, your mother's fear, your father's shame. But here, in this sacred moment, you release. You return what is not yours. You receive what was always meant for you, their blessings, their gifts, their strength. Whisper softly now, dear ones, I carry your blood, but I do not need to carry your suffering. I choose to carry only your love. I release the fear of poverty that is not mine. I release the scarcity that was inherited. I release the shame of asking, receiving, and owning wealth. I keep only the love, the gifts, the wisdom. And I invite money to return as love made visible for me. Breathe in and breathe out. And say this again if possible. Dear ones, I carry your blood, but I do not need to carry your suffering. I choose to carry only your love. I release the fear of poverty that is not mine. I release the scarcity that was inherited. I release the shame of asking, receiving, and owning wealth. I keep only the love, the gifts, the wisdom, and I invite money to return as love made visible for me and my family. Time to activate your magnetic energy. Feel now a golden serpent rising at the base of your spine. This is your Kundalini energy, the ancestral fire. It moves upward, carrying with it every pain, every block, every shadow. With each breath, this fire transmutes pain into power, loss into love, curse into blessing, block into wealth. Repeat after me with power and lot of faith in your voice. By the fire of my ancestors, I awaken. By the power of my lineage, I attract. By the blessing of the blood, I command abundance. Lakhs, crores, and rivers of abundance move toward me now, effortlessly, irresistibly. By the fire of my ancestors, I awaken. By the power of my lineage, I attract. By the blessings of the blood, I command abundance. Lakhs, crores, and rivers of abundance move toward me now, effortlessly, irresistibly, powerfully, magnetically. Let these words vibrate through your cells. This is magnetic alignment, not to bind others, not to control, but to draw to you what is already yours. The blessings, the money, the protection, the remembrance, the love. It rushes to you because your energy is irresistible, because your ancestors stand with you, saying a powerful yes, yes, yes to it all. Gently breathe in and breathe out. Place your right hand on your heart, your left on your belly. Breathe in and breathe out and see your ancestors smiling behind you, above you, nodding, approving of you. Hear them whisper, "We gave you life. Now live it fully, in wealth, in love, in freedom. We gave you life. Now go live it fully, in wealth, in love, in freedom." See a river of golden light flowing from behind you, through you, into your future. Every coin, every note, every opportunity, every relationship carried on this golden stream. Very softly, say this: I am the prayer answered. I am the altar fulfilled. I am the one who receives and multiplies the blessings of my lineage. I am free. I am whole. I am abundant. And so it is. I am the prayer answered. I am the altar fulfilled. I am the one who receives and multiplies the blessings of my lineage. I am free. I am whole. I am abundant. And so it is. It is done in the now. Abundance codes activated now. Abundance codes activated now. Abundance codes activated now. Breathe deeply. Feel your heart expanding. Your ancestors go to you and whisper, "We bless your wealth. We bless your work. We bless the home you will build, the children you will nurture, the love you will receive, the money that will overflow. You are the one who ends the cycle of scarcity. You are the one who carries wealth forward. You are the altar where our lineage becomes free." As you rise from this meditation, know this truth in your bones. Money is your birthright. Wealth is your inheritance. And with every breath, every step, every word, abundance is magnetized to you. Love comes rushing to you. Peace, prosperity, and happiness is already embodied in you. All of your ancestors are with you. All of the abundance flows to you, always and forever. Not just to you, to your children, and for multiple generations ahead. Dear beloved one, this was a deep journey, and I'm so grateful to you that you took this along with me. Hi, I'm Gauravi Jadhav, a business and money energy coach, a trauma trained healer, and a guide of ancestral and business constellations. I have been practicing ancestral healing work and constellations for the past 2 years, and I have witnessed how unhealed family pain shows up as blocks in money, relationships, and business. And I have also witnessed a miracle when we honor our ancestors, when we return what is not ours, and when we claim our blessings and their blessings, money flows again, love flows again, and life opens in ways we never imagined. If you felt the shift in this meditation, imagine what happens when you step into the field of constellation work with me, where the hidden patterns of your lineage rise to be seen, where you release what has weighed on you for generations, and where you finally receive the wealth and love that is your birthright. This is my invitation to you. Come and join me in my ancestral healing work or my money healing work and constellation work. Step into into my circle, into my power. Step into the river of abundance that has been waiting for you. All you have to do is look at the links that I have shared along with this audio in the description of this audio video that you are listening and seeing to. So go ahead. Do not wait any further. I'll be waiting to connect with you, to learn about your story, and to be a beautiful channel that will allow more and more abundance and link you with your ancestors. Deep love and gratitude if you have heard me till now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I only wish you all the best and more abundance in the coming days. If you have heard this audio in the Pitru Paksh, very good. But I would highly recommend that you listen to the main meditation part or record the meditation in your own voice. I'll give a short script in the description in your own voice and listen to it for minimum 90 days and see the effect and the difference that you can bring about in your life. See you soon. Thank you.